Welcome back to my channel. After I posted my no foundation everyday makeup routine, I got quite a bit of requests to do a skincare routine, and it's here. So today I'm going to show you my weekend nighttime skincare routine. Some of it's a little extra, some of it I don't do every single day or even every week. With every step and every product, I'm going to leave a little information on what the product is, the price, where I got it, and how often I use it. Links are also going to be all down below. But before we get started, please take the time to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, like this video. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on: foundation, contour, highlight, brows, eyeliner, waterproof mascara. So first up is going to be taking all of this off.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Makeup Removing Wipes. I usually don't use the Hydro Boost ones, I usually use the original, but I thought, the air is kind of dry this time of year, why not get some more hydration where you can? What makes it different is that this has hyaluronic acid in it. I also have hyaluronic acid products throughout the rest of my skincare routine. Oh, my makeup looks really good today, I don't even want to take it off. Here we go. Should I just do half my face? I'll show you half my face. You'll get to see how my eyebrows disappear. It's like a magic trick. Ooh, that's hot. Okay. There she is. You're beautiful. It's true. So to get the waterproof mascara on, I kind of just sandwich it in between the cloth. Let it soak for a little bit, and then I'll start rubbing my fingers back and forth and gently pulling it off. Don't pull too hard and pull your lashes out. No one needs that in their life. That is it. There she goes. I'm back. Here's my face. Here's my skin. She's arrived. The next step is using some recent purchases that I made on Amazon, and I couldn't be happier. They are super affordable, and I'm going to link them down below. The first item is this facial steamer. I think it's like 20 bucks. You twist the top off. It comes with a little measuring cup to fill it to this line. Pour it in there. And then where this arrow is, you're gonna push down and swivel, and then it's locked into place. Push her on. I usually have her propped up on some stuff so I don't have to hunch over. So I'm just gonna hold her here because my countertop is like jam-packed full of stuff in this video. I also use this steamer. I was just sick for 2 weeks, and I used this like 4 times a day to just clear out my sinuses and everything, and it was a lifesaver. So even if you're not going to use this for your skin, you use it for when you're sick. It's so good. Turned her off. Then I'm going to go in with this Blackhead vacuum, which is life-changing. It comes in this box with instructions, and then it comes with 5 tips total, 4 here and the 1 on here. It also comes with the charger as well. I use the smaller, more narrow tip just because
she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Turn her on a high. And then I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna rub her against my nose, and she's gonna get everything out. You're gonna hold 3 seconds to turn off, and then when you're done, you're gonna take your head. You can see all the gunk in there. I'm not gonna show you because that's gross. And then you're gonna rinse it off, and I'm gonna leave instructions on how to disinfect all of the heads down below in the description. After I clean out all of my pores, I'm gonna go in with Summer Friday's new Super Amino Gel Cleanser. I picked this up yesterday. I tried it this morning, and I actually really liked it. For the past 2 months, I've been using this Murad Anti-Aging Acne Cleanser, which has 0.5% salicylic acid. This is great if you have like slight texture. If you do have the occasional breakout, or if you are used to having acne, I would recommend this Acne Clearing Wash by Peter Thomas Roth. It has 2% salicylic acid. It's alcohol free, it's a medicated cleanser, and it also has B5 vitamins in it. And I have the travel size because I don't use it as often. I only use it when I have a breakout. I noticed that if I do use this morning and night consistently, my skin does get a little sensitive. So I recommend to only use this when you feel like you need it. So the new Summer Fridays Mini Gel Cleanser, I just do about 2 pumps of it. And it smells really good. It smells like kind of like a citrusy, refreshing scent. I really like this cleanser because it doesn't dry out your skin or gives you like a very like rubbery texture, like a slick texture. Like when I drag my finger, it doesn't pull, which is really nice. So it's not taking out too much moisture out of your skin, it's leaving it pretty nourished. After cleansing, I'm going to go in with this Thayer's Facial Toner Witch Hazel. It comes with different kinds of it. There's rose petal, there's lavender, there's coconut, there's cucumber, there's the original. I really like the rose water one, just because of the smell. So I'm going to take my cotton pad, and I'm just going to use it.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Go from
She's a
behind my
Mona
ears
Lisa.
across my neck. You don't clean the back of your ears, I'm reminding you. See? I noticed that if I don't use this Witch Hazel toner, that is when the texture of my forehead and under my cheekbones comes back, and it's so frustrating. So I highly recommend you guys put this into your routine. Next, I'm going to use this hyaluronic acid from the Inky List from Sephora. This line is amazing. I just discovered it, and they have so many affordable skincare products. This is pure hyaluronic acid. I also have tried their caffeine eye cream, which is $9.99. It is so affordable, and I highly recommend anybody to use, especially if you're starting out with skincare. And then I have my micro needling roller, which I got off of Amazon. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. And you know, the number one question for these is, does it hurt? No, it doesn't. So it has like these little micro needles. I don't know if you can see it. And you're going to put the serum on your skin, and you're going to roll the needles across, and what it's going to do is it's going to poke these holes in your skin, and they're going to heal and produce more collagen in your skin. I noticed that doing this about twice a week, it really gets rid of those fine lines and plumps up your skin. So I'm going to take the hyaluronic acid, use about a dime size, and I'm just going to pat it into my skin. And again, sanitizing information for the Derma Roller is going to be listed below. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to start here. I like to start at the bottom of my face and work my way up and do everything in an upward motion. I'm going to go on my jawline.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around.
So I'm going to do the rest of my face and I will do it. So I finished rolling. I let my skin breathe for a few minutes just to let everything kind of sink in and heal. So once you kind of stop feeling like the leftover feeling of like the roller,
she's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Feels creamy.
There must be something about
with avocado in it. Another really good eye cream is the Glossier eye cream that I used in my No Foundation YouTube video. It's a little bit more affordable than these, with about the same amount of product. So I'm going to take it on this finger, just a little bit, not that much. And the reason why I use this finger is because it is your most delicate finger, and when you're dealing with the eye area and all the sensitive skin, you don't want to put too much pressure on it, and you don't want to drag, because that's going to cause pulling and wrinkles, and you don't want any of that. So if you see like this finger, you can move and you have a lot of flexibility. This one too, and then this one you can't really, it's hard to like. And a little of this goes a really long way. It's super spreadable. I'm covering literally more area than I need to with just that tiny amount. One of those jars will probably last me about 3 months, honestly. Next, I'm going to put on my moisturizer. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. It's 24-hour moisture. I love this cream. When I run out of this, which is soon, I'm gonna buy the same cream, but the one that has SPF in it. Because I do wear this all the time, and when I wear it during the day, I really want to have that SPF aspect to it. So I used a good amount of it, like almost at the bottom. I feel like this moisturizer is very good for all skin types, but if you are very oily or get oily throughout the day, I would recommend using the Kiehl's moisturizer at night, and then during the day using this Sephora moisturizer. It's just super all-day hydrator with hyaluronic acid in it. It's a little bit of a lighter moisturizer, but I noticed that if I wear this moisturizer during the day, I feel good all day. Like I don't feel dry or itchy or anything. It's a really good consistency, and it's very, very affordable. The whole Sephora skincare line I really recommend you guys to use. So now most of my routine is already complete. I'm going to take a break, cook some dinner, and then when I come back and get ready for bed, I'm going to put on my mask and show you guys all that. Long time. I'm back, and now I'm going to be
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
I like to use these nude patch gel eye masks. I'm not a huge fan of the cotton one. It comes in a little disc like this. And you want to be careful if you have long, sharp nails. Extra careful because they're very delicate and you don't want them to split. There's honestly no wrong or right way to put these on. It doesn't matter which direction. It's whatever fits your face the best. I noticed since I have like larger cheeks, I feel like the larger part of the eye patch needs to go under my eye. And then I just pat some extra serum around it. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. It feels so good. I feel so bougie. Also, the green tea version of these patches are my favorite, but this is the only one I have left. This one is the Calming Tea Infused Aromatherapy Eye Gel with lavender and evening primrose. It's something I can't pronounce. So which one? And take the extra serum and just kind of like rub it in, pat it in. And now for one of my favorites. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I've literally seen everybody talk about this mask and I thought I'd give it a try. Honestly, the first time that I tried it, I really wasn't a huge fan of it. I didn't really see what was so special about it. But then I used it as like an overnight treatment mask, and that's where I really saw results. So I bought, this is the travel size. I didn't want to invest in the full size without trying it first for a while. However, after I do use this, I will be buying a full size. Side note, when I bought this, in the box came a sample of this. It didn't come in this size, but it came with like a little sample packet. So if you want to try both of these products, I recommend getting just the plunger first, trying the sample, and then investing in a travel size or a full size. So I usually use a facial brush to put this on. However, I lost it right before filming this video, so I'm just gonna make sure I can lift it. I'm just gonna put it on very gently. And I put a decently thick layer on it. It's hard to see on camera because this does kind of dissolve into like a clear, but she's looking thick.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her face.
My agave lip scrub.
You find her beauty goes much deeper.
And I've been really good this time around, and I have managed to keep the little spatula that comes with it. So I let her sit for about a minute, and then I just wipe her off with a damp towel. Out of all of these products and all of these steps, this is my ride or die. It's the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. And I use this all day, even though it's considered a sleeping mask. I use it as like an everyday lip product. They also sell it available in tubes, but it is a slightly different formula. This formula is a little bit more nourishing and last a lot longer, for me at least. And then my last step is I always put on this hand cream. It is in French, so I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is available on Amazon. So it's the EP something 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 hand cream. So I'll put this on, and then we're done. So that is my weekend nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys found a lot of useful products and techniques for this. If you purchase any of these products or give any of these new steps a try, please comment below and let me know how it goes. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to follow me on Instagram and direct message me, and I will be more than happy to help you guys out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.